So there's a bit of metal, like a Z pipe, isn't there, with two short connectors on. If you can get one of them.
Yeah.
But that's slightly different colour to that. But that's the last paint you sent me. It's not. That's the correct colour.
Oh, okay.
And that is a British racing green. It was just
something I got off eBay sheet.
Yeah. So, but that'd be all right.
Yeah, so we can always repaint it.
Yeah. So that's all sorted.
Okay.
If you want to put it back in.
Yeah. I think we will do.
I've found some Phillips, big Phillips things there.
Okay.
But they might find they're coarse thread. They are.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because they're going into the aluminium.
Yeah. So.
Always order a couple up.
Yeah. So the only thing we need is sort this out, and it'd be worth trying it.
Yeah,
trying it out most probably before putting it in. Just make sure it does work.
Yeah.
And that's the carburettor and the manifold off.
Did a 850.
The one you bought.
Yeah. No, one auto, it's hydro, but yeah.
So, I've freed it all up, cleaned it all up, and put some new bits in it. So, it runs on that, so it should be all right. And what you need is an air cleaner. The old type of air cleaner.
Oh yeah, like a big metal one, isn't it? Well, it's not big, but it's
metal like that with a tube off it.
Yeah.
The other one would clean up, but it's so rusty.
Oh, okay.
If you can get one that's reasonable.
Yeah.
It'd be worthwhile, if you know what I mean.
Definitely.
So you need a fan belt, depending on what you're going to fit.
Yeah.
A dynamo or alternator, and there's nothing.
Yeah,
wrong.
I was looking for some alternator brackets, but then you can buy brand new ones, but they're like, I don't know, 20 quid for a bent bit of metal, and I'm like, I'll keep an eye out for a second hand one, but
yeah.
I keep forgetting.
Well, there is one on that 1300, but you'll need that on there.
Yeah, I didn't know if they were slightly different as well between the 1300s and the small blocks, just slightly position-wise.
There may be.
Because that's when I was looking at it.
Well, the later blocks, they moved the bosses, didn't they?
Yeah.
And this is an old type mounting came off that 850, and I've just had to cut it a bit to get the fan belt, because I fitted a damper on it.
Ah, okay, yeah.
It's always best to have a damper on them. And you need a coil, because that's my trial coil.
Okay, a known good one.
Yeah.
But yeah, it ran up all right, didn't it? This is
so
good oil pressure, I guess. And
yeah. No, that's fine. It's all fine. Yeah. So, and it's got the bearings in it, in the gearbox, and I'll show you.
Synchros, well, I've got you 3 synchros in there.
Yeah. You actually got 4 synchros because I've got a spare one.
Yeah, I can't remember.
But you see, that's the lay gear, and you can just see it's just starting to go.
Yeah,
starting to pit. There on the pressure side.
Yeah, so it's gone through the hardening.
Gone through the hardening. Yeah. So we put 2 new bearings and lay gear shaft in as well. I've had to cut a lot of the welds. What we did here.
Oh, yeah.
To stretch the A panel forward a bit.
Okay.
And I've had to drop it so it doesn't quite line up, but I might be able to jack the back of the subframe up to twist it a little bit to line up, and I think I'll get a new
scuttle.
Oh,
I'll get one sorted out, because we go with a genuine one, because the pattern ones are really.
Because I haven't got a position, because these have been put in. These have been welded and put in each end.
Yeah.
You can't get the line, if you know what I mean.
No.
So if I start with a complete scuttle on there, at least I can work
off
that. And
but yeah, so last time so you had the driver's side done, but no, you got
but it needs that side is not welded in very much, only along the sills.
Yeah.
And it's all PK. But I'm
to-
leaving it in
yeah.
case I've got to. This wing doesn't fit as well. The inner wing doesn't fit as well as that side. I can't actually show. Well, I could if I take this one off. And it's the same the other side. It's mostly a combination of using packing parts and.
Yeah.
But that side, that inner panel, there's a much bigger gap between the inner wing and this. So I'm just going to have to bridge it with some plates, you know.
Yeah.
But it's not seen anyway. It'll be fine. And this here on the inner wing.
Yeah.
I've had to, it wasn't very well.
No,
formed there.
those are both, heritage panels, but
Yeah.
yeah, well, I've got a spare scuttle anyway for the pickup, which I haven't needed just yet. So
Have you?
yeah,
Yeah.
So,
Has it got 4 holes?
oh, I don't know. Yeah, might have to fill some, might we?
Yeah, I'll fill them in and. Yeah.
I can always order another one up for what I need then. I think Sam's down a couple of weeks' time, isn't she? So
She may be, yeah.
Maybe.
But then perhaps the end of the month I can drop.
yeah,
the engine
yeah,
and
come
say
down with the
we'll
engine.
sort something
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, because there's no rush for this. So.
Yeah, so
But
and I've got everything out of this all the bolts out of this subframe, so this is usable now.
yeah,
And I've repaired it. So, and that front subframe's all repaired.
okay.
Holes here and this bit here, to do.
Yeah. So the bulk of
So the
the
bulk
rust
of,
is gone now, isn't it? It's
so the bulk of it is nearly there. It's just getting everything positioned before you start welding it up.
yeah,
But I'm not going to weld anything until I've got this in.
yeah,
So I can get that in and just tacked in position. Then I can position all the front. And I've cut the closing panels off at the moment. And then I'll put those back in.
yeah. I did mine separate as well. It's just
And I need, because all the hinges were wrong.
yeah. Well, I sent you a few random ones, didn't I?
I've got that, but I need the
Front part.
part, which will be labelled number 2, because that's 1. So that's 1 and 2. It's 1 and 2 there. I think 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.
So 1 and 2. So we need.
So I need number 2, front, top, right hand.
And then we've got a full set, give or
Then
take.
there's a full set. Because there's two wrong hinges on this. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
all wrong angles. So it's been done and messed about in the past.
Yeah,
2 or
well.
3 times, I would think.
Yeah. Well, as I said, I'm in touch with one of the owners. So
Yeah.
he's already apologised for some of the stuff.
But there's still a bit more material to take off just round here and over that side, and a little hole to fill in. And it's just that front of the wheel arch, that side to do. But
Yeah. See the old.
and a little plate to make up for the bulkhead there. That's nothing. So it's sort of nearly there now.
Yeah.
But it didn't fit very well at all, when he first put it all on.
No. Even though it looked goodish, but then once you got.
But there was an inch, over an inch gap here.
Gee.
And
Yeah.
And you think, how come it's that far out?
Yeah. Something's not.
Yeah. But I've had to make this door just a 16th bigger than it should be. It should be 36 and a half. Oh, it's actually come back a bit, so it's not going to be far out now.
I just won't enter it into any concourse competitions where they come out. I won't enter it into any concourse competitions where they come around with a tape measure. Oh, your door gap's a 16th.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They're off a midget, they are. But they'll do for this.
You're getting a few collections of some A-series engines here, aren't you? Yeah, that's not. That's your old Morris engine there, is it? I think that's different to something.
That one, that's a good engine, that one.
That's your. That the Morris, wasn't it?
Yeah, the 1098. But I took the camshaft out of the 918. Just cleaned up and done the valves. And
Yeah, well, let's pencil in hopefully the last weekend or whatever of Jan or something like that, or well during the week or something.
I bought that off, and I thought that's a one-off a twin carb setup.
Oh, okay.
Because I saw this here, you see.
Yeah.
And this here, and I've actually got another
Big old
1.5 inches. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is the opposite hand. So, and that's off a Marina, and so that'll make a pair.
Okay. Big old 1.5 inches. Yeah.
Yeah. So all I've got to look out for is a manifold.
Yeah.
For 1.5 inches, they need the slanting. Well, that manifold, a lot of the later manifolds do both, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
They got, but the early twins for the 1.5 inches were just angled. Yeah, so.